I cannot risk my phone. Hey yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're one of those girlies who are married or in a relationship, or just a girlie who like to squeeze in things on a Saturday or on a weekend, I am that girlie. Today we are doing day in my life video where we're doing things out of ordinary or out of our normal routine. Right now, time check, it is 5:30 in the morning and I am about to get into my little morning devotion. Let's start our day by thanking the Lord. I usually like to start up my devotion with the word of prayer, only because I need to set my mood, my mind, my heart and my thoughts together to get the devotion done. Taking note while I am studying my Bible, it's a must for me because it gives me some sort of understanding to get the day going. And we're done with our devotion. Time check, it is 6 a.m. in the morning. Now that we're done with our devotion, we will go fix our breakfast for today. So yeah, let's go. Done getting ready. I am about to go to work right now. It is 7:30, but it's Saturday, so I still can make it in time at work. So let's go catch a bus and commute to the workplace. Hello guys, so I was trying to record myself while I was in the bus, but sis was not confident. Guys, I was a vlog. So I was trying to do my vlogging in the bus, but while I was commuting to my workplace. But guys, I cannot risk my phone. One, two, it's because I'm camera shy in the bus and people are around, so I cannot do my vlog there. Anyways, I am right now walking up to my workplace, and yeah, it's a nice day to be alive. And I left house around 7:30 because it's Saturday and I am not gonna rush with rest of the people or students or things like that. So I take the time of my life to prepare the breakfast, get ready, and then I commute to the bus. I was walking up to the bus stop and I wanted to take a video, but then again I cannot risk it because PNG and our way of judgmental, so I could not. Anyways, it's a good day. I'm about to go to work, and yeah, see you guys in a minute. Already arrived at my workplace. It's 7:45, almost 8 o'clock. And I'm about to go start my day off at my workplace. I'm not allowed to take videos in my workplace because, it's a workplace and sometimes they just don't allow it. So, yeah, I'll go spend another 4 hours there and I'll catch up with you guys later. I wasn't able to have my breakfast at home because I don't know, I was rushing. So I don't usually do breakfast in the morning because on the weekdays I get out of bed by 6:30ish. Yeah, 6:30, around 6:30, 6:40 sort of. So I don't usually make breakfast, and this is something new also. Something not so new, but something new for this routine. And yeah, I am not a 5 a.m. girly, but I am struggling and I'm trying to wake up around 5 a.m. to prepare breakfast and have some devotion and things like that. Anyway, rush myself and walk up to the bus stop to commute bus and get to workplace early as possible. That's why I don't usually do breakfast in the morning, but today is Saturday and it is exceptional for me to make breakfast because it's weekend and I need to take the time of my life to make breakfast for my. But right now I am at the workplace. I'm about to have my breakfast right now due to me coming to work a little bit early. I'm gonna have my breakfast right away while I'm here, and I'm not gonna record here in my workplace. And for the remaining 4 hours from 8 to 12, I'll be just keep myself busy and get my shit done. But after that, I'll see you guys at 12. So done with my 4 hours and it is 12 o'clock. I am gonna go home right now because I'm feeling my temperature is hot and I'm having a little bit of headache. So I'm gonna go home, rush it home as soon as possible. And yeah, I'm done with my 4 hours and I get home right now. And the sun was something else. I could not even deal with the heat. It's very sweaty, so I arrived home around 30 minutes ago, I think. Yeah, I cooled off and get into something comfortable, which is my blouse. From here, we're gonna go and collect my laundry at the back, clothes from the line, which was hanged day before yesterday, so yeah, let's get the work done. With that being said, right now my hair has been going places lately because I don't usually put oil on it anymore, and I tied or put up my hair like this on a braid for like 1 week straight now, because I braided my hair on Monday. Yeah, Monday, and right now it's Saturday, so it's just going to remove my hair from these braids and see or check my length. Before I get into my hair, I am just going to do my facial first because I need to put on a mask, and it's one of my favorite masks that I love so much about, and I bought it at Stop and Shop at Rainbow last year. So it is a Indian clay mask which I bought, and I'm going to mix it with apple cider vinegar to get the better outcome. I'm just going to mix the whole thing up to create the face mask. We're done, but guys, my hair is this long. Length check. It's on my eyebrow now. Guys, I'm back from the face washing, and I sort of put my hair up after removing everything and all that. This is the look for me right now, and after the face mask my face is giving fresh. Usually face mask effect after 24 hours, so yeah, but right now this is my current look. I sort of put my hair upwards, straight buns or like upwards, because I don't know, it gives afro feeling at the moment. So yeah, that's the final look, and right now I'm about to lay down and make me a cup of iced tea right now, not iced tea, cup of iced coffee, and I will be watching a movie and wait for the time to go 6 o'clock. Right now time is actually 5:30, so I'll just watch maybe 1 or 2 movies and then I'll prepare the dinner for the afternoon. So yeah, and yes, I would say this is the end of my vlog because today, all in all, my day went well, and all in all, today is a good day. I got a lot of job done and I got a lot of work done, and I feel like it is a productive day for me. Waking up very early in the morning and doing so much, it is very productive. End of the vlog right now. So